So this is my series. It's a 1968 2A. So it's the 88-inch long or short. It's the short wheelbase, as you can see. It has the 2.25 liter engine, which is the most common one, I think. And solid engine. It doesn't run, hasn't been run since 95. And a really cool part is that you can see it went to, the last drive was basically the drive to the Norwegian Land Rover Club meetup in 95. So it has been standing in a garage since then. Couple of years now, last year it's been standing outside, so you can see the growth on top, so I need to fix that. 1968 Series 2A with the 2.25 liter engine. It got the 4-speed gearbox, which is synchronized in third and fourth, not in first and second. This is something else. Yeah, it's completely original and almost no rust. So yeah, I bought a Series, and yeah, it's got a lot of problems. If you're interested in hearing about all the problems and hopefully seeing me fix them in the future, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because there's going to be a series about this series, and yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. So the biggest problem of this series is that it's not running. So let's head into the engine bay and you can see kind of what's the issue there. Okay, so the biggest problem is that it's not running, and it hasn't been started since 95, I believe. You can see battery is missing, airbox is missing, pump is there, oil filter is there. You can see the exhaust manifold, inlet manifold is missing, carburetor is missing. So there's a bunch of stuff missing, but I think everything should be here. Original wiring, really cool. So yeah, a lot of things to do, but everything should be here. You can see almost no rust, just a bit of service rust on there, and same on this side. And the chassis is super solid. So there is some work going into this series before I can have it running, but that's a problem for later. The first thing I need to fix is to get this into the garage, and yeah, it's not running. There's no start motor, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to do that. So far the plan consists of a pulley and some rope. Not sure what's going to pull it, or yeah, how it's going to work, but that's the plan so far. But that also is a problem for later. First, I need to clean it properly, and yeah, why is cleaning the car a problem? Well, I live in Norway, it's late October, and Jack Frost has already been there once, so, and he's coming back in 24 hours, so I need to clean this car, get it to dry up, also clear out the hoses and the taps so they don't yeah, freeze sunder when the frost sets in next night. So washing is next. Hopefully I can get it clean up properly before the sun sets, so I can get it to dry up a bit before the frost sets in. And yeah, if you have any questions about the car, about the channel, anything, put it down in the comment. This is going to be a very interesting story, so and series about the series, so remember to subscribe. Okay, so I have done some research on the car, and you see the XD, and you can see the color, you see the yellow color. That's from when it was bought in a bit further north here for the electrical company which puts up all the electrical lines, main power lines going through the country. So this has basically built the country back in the day. And yeah, I know on the Norwegian Land Rover forums there's a whole thread about XD registered cars. So yeah, it's fun that this is part of them, and it's so much fun. It's so original, and I can just cannot wait to go through it all and yeah, show you all the bits, and it's gonna be really fun, really fun. So excited. I mean, you probably see it, but yeah. Okay, it's really cold. Hands are stiffening up, so yeah, let's get cleaning and get this inside. Okay, so it got so cold I need to put on some more clothes, so yeah, just gonna do a time lapse here, and then yeah, get it clean. Check the difference. That is so cool. Always wanted to do this. Always wanted to get like an old car and then yeah, see that happen. So really cool. Okay, so what do you think? I think it looks much better. Could be even spend more time, but yeah, it's good enough to get it out, and the roof really looks good. So yeah, now I just have to clean up everything and drain the hoses, and I'm good. Next up, get it into the garage. Okay, so my brother is here and my nephew is here, gonna help me try and push it into the garage. So yeah, let's hope it's all right. Yeah. Thank you. Good job. Okay. So yeah, thanks to my brother and Christian, we yeah, managed to get it inside without accident. Now you just need to come and help me fix it so we can go on a trip. 1,000 hours, yes. A lot of work. A lot of work. Okay, so in the garage, and I was going to wait with this, but I can't wait any longer. So the engine was turned over 1.5 years ago, and I don't know if it have been done that before or since then. So yeah, I need to do that. So yeah, kind of easy with the series. So let's see if I can do it. So it turns over nicely, and yeah, there's compression there. So yeah.